Hello, in this video I am going to install the two wheels for the Westinghouse 3600v generator. You need from your wheel kit assembly two axle rods, two washers, two cotter pins, and two wheels. The way you're going to install the wheel is you're going to see that this center protrudes out and this side of the wheel is flat. There's nothing protruding out. You want this side that protrudes out to be facing the generator. You're going to take one axle rod and place it into the wheel, the center of the wheel like this. Then you're going to take a washer and place it on the other side of the wheel through the axle rod. Then you're going to carefully tilt the generator and place this end of the axle rod into the axle frame or bracket. Once we do that, we're going to take this cotter pin and place it through the eye hole of the axle rod all the way through once we place it inside the axle rod bracket or frame. So I'm going to tilt this generator back like so, place the wheel on like that. Then I'm going to take the cotter pin, look for where the eye hole is for the axle rod, and push the pin in once I find it. I think I need to turn it a little bit and be careful not to put your finger where you may get hurt. In case the wheel falls off, you don't want your finger to get squished or hurt. Okay, so that's a little tricky. I think I'm going to have to take a little extra time on this side to try to realign this hole. So I'm going to tilt it up again. Now you can actually have someone help you do this, which will make it much easier. It's a little tricky. If I had a mallet, it would be easier to hammer it in, but I'm going to just use this other axle rod to try to hit it into the hole. almost in all the way. Well, the cotter pin is almost all the way in, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and put the other wheel on, doing the same sequence of installation, taking the wheel, looking for the side that's protruding out. This side is going to be facing the generator. I'm going to take the axle rod and put it into the flat side. Then I'm going to take the washer, put it through the axle rod. Then I'm going to tilt the generator to one end and place this through the axle rod bracket. Okay, so that's it. Now I have to find the hole, the eye hole for the axle rod, and place this through it. This one's much easier. I got it in almost no effort. This one took a little extra. But that's how you install the wheels. In the next video, I'm going to install the feet that helps to bring the engine to a horizontal setting. Thank you.